Imagine your body is a grand mansion, and your stem cells are the repairmen working tirelessly to keep it in tip-top shape. But as we age, our supply of stem cells begins to dwindle, and their effectiveness at repairing our bodies is reduced. That sucks, right? Keep watching this video to find out how you can end all suffering. What if there was a way to restore and rejuvenate your stem cell population? Enter the world of stem cell therapy. Scientists and physicians now have the ability to extract and concentrate stem cells from sources like the placenta and umbilical cord, which are rich in undamaged stem cells, to inject into joints or administer intravenously to rejuvenate and revitalize our bodies. These stem cells act as chemical factories, generating vital growth factors that can help reduce inflammation, fight autoimmune diseases, and increase muscle mass, repair joints, and even revitalize skin and grow hair. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the revolutionary world of stem cell therapy and discover the potential for a healthier, longer life. Welcome to the future of medicine, where the power of stem cells is unlocking breakthroughs in longevity and therapeutic solutions to chronic diseases. The stem cell industry is rapidly growing, and if you want to get an edge in life, keep watching. From tissue engineering to stem cell banking and clinical applications of MSCs to parabiosis, the possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to repair, replace, or augment diseased tissue using your body's own stem cells. Imagine being able to capture stem cells with your original, uncorrupted DNA at birth, replicate them, and freeze them for future use. Imagine being able to treat a wide range of diseases, from autoimmune diseases to cancer. This is the future of medicine, and it's closer than you think. Join us as we explore the exciting world of stem cell therapeutics and discover the potential for a healthier, longer life. Want to hear some of the stem cell success stories where the impossible becomes possible? Imagine being able to grow new human eyes using only a small sample of adult skin, or helping stroke victims walk again, or even helping paralyzed victims gain the use of their arms. These are not just figments of our imagination, but real-life breakthroughs made possible by stem cell research. In the past 12 months alone, we've seen stem cells being used to grow retinas, corneas, and the eye's lens, and researchers are investigating the potential of stem cell treatments for neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, and Lou Gehrig's disease. The future of medicine is here, and it's brighter than ever, as we accept the notion that we are going to die. But the keys to our health and longevity may lie in our source code, and in the next 2 decades, stem cells are going to change medicine forever, extend life, and potentially save your life. We truly live during the most exciting time ever in human history. Click on the video that pops up now if you want to learn more and not be left behind.